severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cleveland County and central Oklahoma, southwestern Pottawatomie County and central Oklahoma, until 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Etowah, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Slaughterville, Lexington, Tribby, St. Louis, Etowah, Brooksville, Macomb, Hargill, and Trousdale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.